Nakakatakot man ito. Ay, goodbye YouTube na guys. Alam nyo guys, goodbye YouTube. I-ano ko to, i-refresh ko to mamaya kung okay pa ba. Ay, kalabing ni Mister.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Where is my tripod, Han? Meron naman akong tripod ba? Palagi na lang itong nawawala. Tripod ko na maliit. Maayong aga sa inyong lahat dyan. Hanap-hanap tayo ng tripod kasi palagi na lang itong nawawala. Thursday ngayon and tignan nyo yan yung asawa ko. Ang aga sa computer. Sobrang aga mo dong. Maginaw sa labas. Nagutom ako. Kakain tayo. Is coffee right now? Coffee lang daw siya guys. Yung araw ngayon is maginaw siya, pero may araw. May sun. The sun is coming out even though it's colder. Bigyan lang natin ng coffee itong asawa natin kasi may ginagawa sa computer. Computer addict si Mister.
You taking pictures of me?
Good morning, Mr. Kopido. Kami turn in Garotay because in Garotay is not been cleaning.
I just wanted to do this.
Why?
We really got to set up these rooms individually.
Then try to do your phone. You have it in your phone. You can. You.
I got to put barriers up. I'm calling a room.
Barrier what?
Barriers.
Oh, barriers. You know what I noticed, honey? The neighbor, the shed. It's always open. Seems like they don't lock it.
And the windows
The wind keep blowing it. Roxy's out there. It's sunny, cold, windy. So, yeah, it's not good out. But anyway, guys, do you want to know what my husband's doing? Bisitahin natin yung ano natin, guys. Yung mga plant natin dito sa garage. Kaya talagang mag-ipon ako ng pera para sa ano ko guys. Para sa tawag nito. Sa greenhouse ko. Ito ilabas ko to. Para mainitan. Ito siya. Mahangin. Pero painitan natin ito. Look. Hi Rox. Hello Rox. Painitan natin yan sila. So yun, nilabas ko yung litos ko lang. Kasi yung litos usually, mabubuhay yan yung litos kapag kahit maginaw siya. Except kung 30 below. Pag 30 below na yung temperature, mamatay yung litos. Pero 40, mga 40, ganun. Okay pa yan.
Dedicated to protecting the citizens of New York State during these unprecedented times.
I was in a pretty bad motorcycle accident. I was just driving on the road.
What are you looking?
Person blindsided me. At that moment, everything flashes in front of you. I will.
Hi, wait a minute. You put your car there. Go ahead.
Situation like mine.
We put your.
Biggest son of partners.
Guys, did you see that, guys? How mean is my husband? He think there's no camera. So now you see who he is, guys. He's rubbing his dirty foot on my back.
They always do the job.
I don't let them in because I'm going out this way. Hi. Hello, you're here. Tingnan natin yung temperature. Hello. Tignan nyo to guys. May tumubo dito. Kaloka naman ito. Alam nyo ba to kung ano to? Dandelion. Wala pa akong tinanim. Nauna pa yung dandelion. Nauna pa siya dito. Tingnan nyo. Nauna pa. Kaloka ka. Nauna pa ka. Nauna ka pa dito, ha? Yan, ha? Nauna ka pa dyan, ha? Nauna pa. Ang taba-taba mo pa. Kahit ang dandalayo na to. Nauna pa. Look, oh. Itapo natin ito kasi. Lagyan ko ito na mag-isno kasi, guys. Kaya lagyan ko ito sila ng cover. Yan. And tumubo na yung bok choy. Look. Tumubo yung bok choy. Look, oh. Look, tumubo sila, guys. Oh, look. Lagyan ko ito ng cover kasi mag-snow. Yep. Kaloka ito. Lumaki na siya. Okay. Ito. Han, I said not yet. Tommy, did you hear me?
I heard you.
You want to put that now?
I want to see what I can put on there to stop them doing the streaking. Ready, any draws?
What do you want to do? Hala. Kailangan lang ibalik itong mga gamit, guys. Kasi tinanggal kasi yung mga gamit. Pati doon sa closet, tinanggal din para malagyan ng ano. And ngayon, maglalaba ako ng mga pillows. Kasi, madumi na to. Hala, look at this, honey. Yeah. Look whose picture is this.
I saw it.
Kristen. Alam nyo, guys, nag-ano talaga ako, guys, dahil yung weather, guys. Guys, alam nyo bang mag-snow na naman raw. Few days from now. Baka bukas. Tomorrow, right, Han?
What?
There is snow tomorrow. Tomorrow, it's Friday, and then Saturday. And yun. Iwan ko, guys, na maghanap ako ng maghanap ako ng cover sa garden kasi meron tayong nagsisidling tayo doon. Ginagawa ko yung seedling doon, nag-reseedling ako ng mga seedling, naglagay ako doon kasi alam natin na maganda yung panahon. Akala namin kasi 'di ba, may bisita tayong pumunta dito, ang ganda ng panahon at alam namin ahead of time na maganda yung panahon, and then suddenly ang pangit. So, yun yung nangyayari, guys. Kaya hindi natin alam talaga. Yung tomato na seedling ko, tumubo na siya. So, marami na tayong tomato. Pag tutubo siya, i-transfer ko siya sa container na maliit para naman tutubo. And then, pag final na talaga yung weather na maganda, yun doon natin siya i-transfer sa mga garden or container. Kasi, hindi ko alam. I think container yung iba. I have to buy more lupa. Nagalit si Tommy, guys. Tommy is galit. Dahil hindi ko daw nilagyan ng material yung second bed ng garden. Sus, kaya nga, sinabi ko kasi na tumubo yung dandelion doon. Nagagalit, hindi mo nilagay yung, hindi naman talagang galit na galit. Parang, ba't hindi mo so maghukay ka doon palagi. Anuhin mo yung mga damo, kasi tutubo yung damo. Masaya pa yung damo kasi maganda yung lupa na dapat daw, gulay yung itanim doon ngayon. Masaya yung masaya daw yung mga damo kasi nilagyan ko na magandang lupa. Yung dandelion, guys, sobrang saya, guys. Sumibol talaga, guys, kahit sobrang thick na yung nilagay kong lupa. Doon sumibol talaga siya. Gali na na dismaya si Mr. Dismayado. Dahil hindi ko rin nilagay yung material. Nabuburyo na yan, guys. Tignan nyo. Kahit ano na mga ginagawa. One leg. I think Ito, okay to. Bagong laba. Eee. Oh, this is small. Tignan natin guys kasi maliit guys. Ito kasing bib na to is sobrang makapal. So deep in love with you, Mary. Hi guys, tinanggal ko yung sweater ko kasi ang init. Galing ako sa labas. Parang nainitan ako. And then also, itong, listen guys. Hey. Can I touch your honey? Can I touch your honey? I wanna touch your honey. Naku, himos. Try natin kung okay pa ba siya. Let's try it. Pan sweat. Oh, this is perfect, Mingo.
Yeah, well, it's starting to look a little raggedy on the edges, so good time to eat it.
It's perfect. It's time to eat it, Tommy said. So, perfect siya, guys. Thumbnail, guys. Perfect yung Mingo. And this is very sweet, and there's no sourness whatsoever. Oh, you know what, guys? You told me try to plant the seed. I'm for sure there's no mango here, guys. This is a four-season country. It's not like Philippines. So I will put this in the water, and then let's see if it's like going to sibol-sibol. Can't see no challenge, baby. Sarap, guys. So, dito ko siya ilagay, guys. Hugasan ko lang siya. Okay, guys. Dito na siya, guys. Pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. So, tignan lang natin. Hindi tayo magdahom na lalakihan or tutubo. Pero, pabayaan lang natin siya dito. Oh, yung litos ni Tommy, guys. Oh my God. Lumaki talaga yung litos ni Tommy. Look at it. It's growing like brand new one. Look at it. It's a baby one. This one need more, need more lights. Because seems like it's not really. Just, ito, ningkubol man ito, eh. Look at this. It's growing a little bit, but it's not like crazy. But the other one is... It's okay. So, hopefully, guys, he can open this up and put it back. You should unplug this first. Look, oh, look. You take it off.
No, it's supposed to be like that. It hangs on that.
Ayan. Pabayaan natin siya dun kasi nakaloka. Inando na naman niya yung yung dryer. Kasi ganyan yan siya. Kapag may mga sira, kahit hindi pa niya alam kung ano, tatanggalin niya lahat. Para siyang kapatid ko ba, na yung kapatid kong mga lalaki, gusto nila yung i-demolish and then ibalik. Pagbalik, hindi na nila alam kung paano ibalik. Hi guys. Dito ako ngayon sa YouTube ko. Diba yung bagong YouTube na nila, yung bagong style ng YouTube ngayon. May sila, yung YouTube is visibility. Yung visibility nila is like public, private, unlisted, whatever, and then monetize on or off. And then restrictions, guys, puro sila gray. Hindi monetize. Lahat ng video ko hindi naka-monetize. And then, lahat ng videos ko na-uploaded na. I understand yung mga hindi pa, yung private pa, I understand. Pero yung mga uploaded na, hindi daw siya pwedeng makita. Ang nakalagay is, hindi siya question mark, parang apostrophe, hindi, parang ganun ba? Chunk. Nakakatakot man ito. Ay, goodbye YouTube na, guys. Alam nyo, guys, goodbye YouTube. I-ano ko to, i-refresh ko to mamaya kung okay pa ba. Kasi nakakatakot talaga, guys. As in, you know, tinatrabahuan ko tong YouTube, yung videos, ginagawa ng videos, gumagawa, mahirap gumawa ng videos. I mean, gagawa ka naman ng videos, alam mo naman yung life mo, pero pag i-edit, yung mga isip mo, mga ganun, hindi siya, guys, hindi siya easy. So, kung may something sa sa channel ko, kung may something siya sa channel ko, or sa Google AdSense, or something, kung magka-problema na, mag-goodbye YouTube na tayo, guys. Mag-video na lang ako for my own, or mag-Facebook na lang ako. Doon na lang ako sa Facebook page ko mag-upload. That's impossible for me to say bye-bye sa YouTube kasi matagal akong nag-YouTube, guys. You know, matagal ko tong tong YouTube ko. Pero nakakadismaya. Yung ganito. I-refresh ko lang siya. Refresh natin, refresh. Yan. So, update ko lang kayo mamaya, guys, kung ano to. Di ba yung public at saka private, mata siya, di ba mata? Naka-green yung mata kapag public. Kapag private, yung mata is gray at saka may kalit, may line. Hindi talaga ganun, guys. As in yung monetization, yung visibility, private, siya, puro siya yung ganun ba? Naka-triangle siya, and then sa gitna may ganun. Iwan ko kung anong nangyari sa channel ko, guys. Wala naman akong ginawa. Tinitingnan ko yung copyright, copyright, lahat ng copyright ko. Kung meron ba akong nagawang, wala naman akong nagawa. As in, wala naman akong nagawang masama. And then tinitingnan ko yung, my YouTube channel, went crazy, My YouTube channel, yan the public and private, and then the monetization where the money is like this. Everything is like not approved. Tinitingnan ko, update ko kayo mamaya, guys, kung anong mga kaganapan dito. Kasi may sometimes talaga itong YouTube, may sasabihin sila sa taas na yung parang, yung data is inaccurate, lalala. Pero dito, walang ganun sa taas. Usually, meron silang nakalagay na accurate yung mga nakikita nyo. Hindi siya accurate, ganun. Pero ngayon, wala akong nakita sa ganun. Yung pula sa taas, wala. Yung parang warning, ganun, or warning ba yun, or parang alert, ganun, wala. Mag-Facebook na lang tayo, guys. Guys, guys, naka-ano kayo sa Facebook ko, guys? Nakapag, kayo doon? Nakatawag nito? Naka-like ba kayo? Yung Facebook page ko, hindi siya talaga siya, pero, iwan ko, basta meron ako mga plano dyan sa Facebook page natin. Kasi, nabahala din ako sa ginagawa niya. And it's running with no doors?
Yeah, no.
Halahan, this is too close here. Can you kind of like a little bit, wiggle it a little bit here? A triangle, gray. And then what's in the middle is like, how do you call this, Annie? Like line and then point.
Exclamation point.
Exclamation point. Yun, guys. And then the monetization, the visibility, public, and even the public, even the video that I published already is like gray. Sobrang dilim dito. Maganda pala ito sa labas isuot. Maganda pala siya sa labas isuot. Kasi talaga cover yung maka-cover talaga. Cover talaga yung mukha.
Much better.
Stop what you're doing for Nobi.
I hold your arm up.
Han, the people will get dizzy. Oy, kalabing ni Mister. Oy, honey, please. Oy, kalabing ni Mister. Oy, ka-cute ni Mister.
What?
Oy, ka-cute ni Mister. Oh.
What?
Oy, ka-cute ni Mister. Ay, gila may anak na. You don't do that. It hurts.
It is a dog. Roxy don't like it.
Oh.
Ay.
Han, you say it, honey.
Say what?
Gimingaw man ko nimo.
Ano naman mo? What?
Gimingaw ko nimo.
Minigo ko ningo.
Busy man ka?
Pisa mo ko.
Asubuko. Uy, I miss asubuko.
Asubuko.
And remember mom's favorite asubuko.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, I like it. I like the pork one.
I like the veal.
You like the veal? It's
Pork's
kind of
okay.
tough.
No.
Veal is kind of tough.
You are confused. The pork is okay, but the veal is better. The veal is very tender. The veal asabuco is like butter. I don't know where you get tough from.
You ordered that at the restaurant.
Very hard to get at the restaurant.
I want to make ossobuco. I made that before for you guys. It's not the same.
No. Sure, make it the same. It's not that
Give me a
hard.
kiss, maybe.
Not that hard.
Kiss
I
me.
gotta change this. Gotta change it.
Honey, can you just please have time for me? Please have time for me, please. I beg you.
I have to change
I'm
this.
going back to the Philippines. If you don't do it, I'm going to.
Corona Airlines
I love you.
taking American Airlines COVID one. Yeah, me too.
You know what, guys? Magluluto pala ako, guys. Sobrang boring kasi ng araw namin. Doon siya, nag-ano lang siya sa computer niya. And then ako din sa computer. Yun, kasi yun. So, ang alam natin, guys, is tilapia. Ito yung sineseason ko pala ginagamit. Cayenne. Kijud. Old Bay hot seasoning. At saka ito, garlic powder. And then, yun, paminta. Yun lang. And then, i-flip ko lang siya para yung sa kabila naman para mag-ano. The only problem, guys, for me, guys, this seasoning, I feel like yung mga seasoning pumasok sa ilong ko. And then, natsing ako ng atsing. Katulad ngayon. So, ang ano kasi ng ilong ko, ang laki ng bangag. Ang laki ng anong ilong ko. So, kaya every time na mag-inhale ako, dala yung ano. Gano'n ako. Yung YouTube ko, so akala ko talaga, guys, kung ano na. So, okay pala siya. Nag-refresh lang ako, guys. Refresh. And then, yun, enough yung computer. And then, balik. Okay naman siya. So, yung problema talaga, may YouTube problem talaga, guys. Kasi na-notice ko, marami silang mga alert, warning, accurate, and na hindi daw accurate, ganun. And also, Tommy fixed the ano, diba? He did it. It's already 8:30 na ng gabi. Let's close the window. So, ngayon, ito siya. Ifo-fold ko lang ito. Hold natin to para gamitin natin ito para sa next kung mag-ano tayo, kung maglaba tayo. Okay? So, purpley, hindi man ito maong. Paano na ito? Hindi man ako marunong na. Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong mga plano-plano bukas, pero ilagay ko lang ito doon, guys, sa closet. Ito, bagla ba? Hindi na ako naglagay ng ano, guys, yung makapal na ano, tawag nito, yung, anong tawag nun, guys, yung makapal na naiinitan sa tummy, sa ano, sa sobrang kapal. hindi siya makatulog ng maayos dahil sa init. Comforter. So, sobrang kapal ng comforter. Hindi niya makayanan. So, kaya hindi ko na siya nilagay. Ilagay ko lang siya kapag babalik yung pag winter na naman. Yun. Matutulog na kami, guys. Soon. May ginagawa lang si Tami, look. As usual, guys, nandun pa rin sa kitchen si Tami Moy. Busy pa rin siya sa ginagawa niyang ganit-ganit. Anyway, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you. Thank you for cooperating of my loneliness. What? Anyway, guys, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Rayhan?
Yeah.
Good night, guys. Bye. Tubig.
Bye, guys.
Good night. We have to take some meds, okay?